Hello, everyone. This is a smart cabinet lock. So, today, let's take a look at its features together. Go! This is a networked version of the electronic combination. Such a long name must have confused you. Don't worry, this video will explain them all. Obviously, just enter the password that can open. But, when we waited for about 5 seconds, the lock automatically rebounded. The same one. However, card swiping is also one of the functions of this electronic lock. Let's do it. I'm waiting. Okay, I do believe you have seen it. About 5 seconds. The lock bounced back in the same way. Now, let's recall them. Wow, well, another surprise is waiting for you. Unlock the door with your phone on the app. Let's take a look at how it works. Then, I think it is necessary to explain to you how this card is bound to your phone by yourself and linked to this lock. After applying to add a card, we can see the display on the lock surface like swipe the card you want to bind. After the binding is successful, you can use this card to unlock the door.